Hello guys, dito tayo sa mga quail chicks. Ito yung brother ng day old chicks. Ngayon lang ito dumating guys, October 30, 2023. Yan, around 9,000 na mga day old chicks. Ito siya guys. So by November 23 ang release date, November 23, 2023. So ano na sila niyan, 25 day old na sila sa November 23. So ngayon lang sila, day old chicks sila ngayon. Ayan, ngayon lang to dumating galing ng Luzon. Ayan guys, ma-order lang kami ng around like 7 to 10,000 na mga day old chicks. Then pinapalaki namin dito, tapos binibenta na naman. So pag 25 day old release na nila, then pag mag 35 days na sila, mag-start na silang mangitlog. So ang nagpapaitlog guys is feeds. The name of the feeds is layer feeds. Ayan. So gamit naming feeds dito is Chexer feeds na starter, since day old chicks pa sila. Pag day old chicks, guys, ayan, meron pa dito sa taas. So taas ganun din, ganun pa rin, puno din yan. So yung mga quail chicks kailangan talaga nila ng mainit na environment, like mainit sa loob para madali silang lumaki. Yan. So yan yung pinapakain namin, starter layer, yan siya. Ayan, yun. Sorry, starter feeds. Pag mag-start na mangitlog, layer feeds na. So lahat ng ito guys ay female day old chicks. Female day old chicks quails. So day 1 today, and pag day 25 na nila is releasing and then delivery na po. November 23 ang delivery next month. So within Mindanao ang delivery guys, like Jensan, Coronadal City, Davao, Kidapawan, Sultan Kudarat, Cotabato City, North Cotabato. So dito lang kami guys sa may South Cotabato. So we are near to General Santos City and Coronadal City. So our farm is in between two cities, Coronadal City and General Santos City. Province is South Cotabato guys. Ayan. So November 23 release date and delivery. So pag mag 35 day old na, mag-start na sila mangitlog by feeding them layer feeds only. Layer feeds guys, no male chicks, only female we have. So ang nagapaitlog is feeds. Yan, sing dami ito. So this around 9,000 chicks guys. So So, booking na, pa-reserve na kayo guys. Delivery here within Mindanao only. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless.